we are actually getting a foldable Motorola phone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Motorola. Listen, the more competition, the better. Getting more competition out there to compete is better for the consumer. And that's exactly what this is. Shout out to Alvin here for posting this. We have a 6.56 cover display, a 8.09-inch 2K LTPO inner display, supports the Motorola Pen Ultra stylus, triple 50 megapixel camera system, including a periscope telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, Dolby Vision video recording support, 32 megapixel cover camera, 20 megapixel inner screen camera. Interesting. I wonder if this is under display camera. It doesn't say under display, but it wouldn't shock me. Motorola's AI features with some foldable exclusive features. It comes in black and blue and lily white. There we go. That is the Motorola Razr Fold. They love to keep the same name system across the board. It looks gorgeous, but that camera module is humongous. Listen, it's a first-gen product for them, so I just hope it works out to help out the industry, but we'll see how this ends up working out. I'm excited, man. I'm excited because it's something new. And I feel like that's another thing that we kind of been, I don't say slacking on a little bit, but haven't had as much, like, more of a new stuff coming out, right? It's like, okay, Z Fold series, very similar to what it always is. The Google Pixel series now, it's kind of similar to the last generation. This is something new. And it's a new, camera system concept, but it definitely still looks like any other foldable cell phone, which it's going to. That's kind of how it works. And yeah, so we also have an article here showing off a little bit more of it. We don't know the price tag. It was just released at CES 26, so we don't know the price tag of this phone, but it looks like we do have a camera module in the right-hand corner. It doesn't. No, that's under display. It has to be because there's like little notification things next to it. So it has to be under display. Which, for it to be a 20 megapixel camera right there, is insanely crazy across the board. So this is a tri-foldable cell phone, which, who cares about tri-foldable when you got the Motorola? It looks so small, but it's not. But it definitely looks like it's tall and lengthy, which is what a lot of people complain about with foldable cell phones. And yeah, so tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, man. Like, I'm optimistic. I really am. I'm very much optimistic about this whole scenario. I think it could be a great device, and I think overall-wise we needed competition in the industry because it became very stale. It became to a point where the only thing people would or companies would do is just literally give us the same foldable cell phone but thinner and take away components that are important. The only way you're going to stop that from happening is by actually having competition in the industry, and that's what we're seeing here is actual competition. So, Motorola, shout out to you guys for actually getting the job done. Hopefully we get some good news like the price tag is actually good. I don't know. There's not even a rumored price tag right now. I mean, I guess wouldn't it just be $1,800? Like, that's kind of just how I feel like it's going to be. If you're agreeing with Envy, the good news is that this is a limited edition model. Okay, no, that's something else. So, I guess $1,800 would be my assumption, because that's kind of the going rate. Maybe they go with what they do with their flippable cell phones, and they make it a lot cheaper, which they have like a pro version and a cheap version of the flippable cell phones. That would be a cool concept, but again, something where we'll find out later. A lot of people are asking, like, when is this going to come out? Is it going to come out summer? Is it going to come out this year, next year? My assumption is probably in quarter 3 or 4 of this year would be my assumption. I don't think it's going to come out in summer. It could come out in summer, but I don't think it will. I think it will probably come out in like August, September, or maybe all the way up to October, November time period. But peace out.